Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Fonetool to transfer app data. So basically you just have to go to any web browser and then type Fonetool, tap free download, and then go to your download. Install this one by tapping run as administrator. You have to go to your start menu, and then this time you have to locate Fonetool, tap run as administrator again, and then after that click open. So this is what it looks like. Once you have connected your iPhone using your cable to your PC, then you will see this directly or automatically on your phone tool. This is your phone device information. This is my iCloud where you can sign in your cloud ID right here and transfer files like photos, music, notes, and so on. Backup, if you have created backup, this is how you're going to restore backup here. Phone backup. So again, if you have connected your iPhone to your PC, then you can have this phone backup. You can tap that selected file here and proceed with phone backup, or you can just select all or do the full backup here. Wait till it reaches 100% and you will have your full backup here. Phone tool has this phone transfer also, where you can transfer iPhone to PC, PC to iPhone, and iPhone to iPhone. So if you tap this iPhone to PC and tap get started, then you just have to click or select that file from your iPhone. For example, if you want to transfer your album, your music, your video, so you just have to click that and then tap transfer. Make sure that your iPhone, of course, is connected to your PC to do this process. Also, same goes with the PC to iPhone. If you tap get started, you can select or import a file from your PC and transfer it to your iPhone. Example, video, files, or whatever document. And last is iPhone to iPhone. So you have to make sure that two iPhones are connected to your PC to perform this task. Last we have here is WhatsApp, where you can transfer WhatsApp files from your iPhone to your PC. So if you want us to create or make another tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next videos.